Hello everyone, today we will show you how to add your Referrizer review widget to your Wix website. First, we will copy the widget code from your Referrizer account. On the left-hand side, locate the reputation section and click on it. From the drop-down menu, click Review Widget. Here you will see the code for the review widget. Click the Copy Code button. Now let's go to your Wix website. After logging into your Wix account, select the website you would like to add the widget to. From here, find the Edit Site button, which is in the upper right part of your screen. Now you are editing your website. You want to find or create a space for the widget. For this example, let's say we want it here. Click on the Add section and then Add Elements. You can also press the Add Elements button from the left-hand side. Hover your cursor over Embed Code, and from there, hover over Popular Embeds. Click on Embed HTML. Resize the frame to your preference. In the HTML settings box, paste the code in the box where it says Add your code here, and click Update. You can now publish the website with your new review widget.